Hello, welcome to the third episode of the Bloombox Show. Today with me I have my senior, Parth Chaudhary. He was the chairperson of Bloombox 22-23 tenure. How are you doing, Parth?
I'm great. How are you?
All good. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Parth Chaudhary. I am a LY student of Computer Engineering of KJ Somaiya College of Engineering. Currently, I am an intern at Colgate Palmolive. I'm doing a semester-long internship over there. And as far as Bloombox is concerned, I was a part of Bloombox in my first year, second year, as well as my third year. And I was the chairperson of 22-23 tenure.
That's crazy. Spending 3 years in Bloombox. I mean, I've been like this will be my second year, but it's pretty rare to see someone like right from the first year till the third year stick in one council. We'll start off with like in your first year when you come into this college, you're a naive student. You don't know it's much. Like most people at least like don't even know much about entrepreneurship. What pushed you? Like वो पहले ही कि मुझे ESL join करना है. Like what pushed you to fill that form?
ओके सो जब हम लोग का चालू हुआ था कॉलेज तो इट वाज कम्प्लीटली ऑनलाइन एंड
Correct.
उस टाइम ऐसा हो गया था कि आई वॉज वेरी ईगर कि कॉलेज जाना है बट बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑनलाइन आई वाज लाइक क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं जिसमें वी कैन विच वॉज डूइंग समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन विच इज़ ऑन्टरप्रनरशिप. तो जब कॉलेज चालू हुआ एंड आई गॉट टू नो दैट देयर इज एन ऑन्टरप्रनरशिप सेल इन आवर कॉलेज, I got really excited. And I think around second semester, like मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर का सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, तब फॉर्म आया था ब्लूमबॉक्स का. सो जैसे अभी हम लोग एफ को स्टार्टिंग से लेते हैं, तब एक सेमेस्टर बाद लिया था. तो तब मैंने फॉर्म भरा था एंड आई गेव माई इंटरव्यू. बहुत होल हार्टेडली मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था और अपना पूरा पैशन दिखाया था कि बहुत पसंद है मुझे आप जो करते हो, मुझे इसमें जाना है एंड आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर दिस. I am totally very inquisitive about कैसे चलता है ये काउंसिल एंड स्पेशली अ entrepreneurship काउंसिल इन एन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. बट उस टाइम ना, अभी तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज इतना टाइम हो गया,
Correct.
उस
Hindsight.
हाइंडसाइट में बोल रहा हूँ कि ये शायद मेरा रहा होगा. बट अभी व्हेन आई लुक एट इट, इट वॉज जस्ट अ बॉय ट्राइंग टू फिट इन एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू एक्सप्लोर सम काउंसिल. Or what better than something which deals with money, which deals with startups, जिसका मेरे को इंटरेस्ट मेरे 11th-12th के डेज से था. So yeah.
That's a very interesting take. I'll tell you, like at least to the freshers who join our college, what happens is, it's very hard to make friends and in your first year. Obviously, if you have a group from the start, it's different. But most people, if you notice, are trying to fit in whatsoever way is possible. Council is a great way to find that, circle. मतलब पाथ हमेशा हमें बोलते रहता था कि ब्लूमबॉक्स इज हिज फैमिली. ब्लूमबॉक्स में ही सब मेमोरीज जो भी बनाएंगे will stay lifelong. Obviously now I get to see that because all my team members, I see the bonding and I see like, okay, like some now they're going to relate college life with their part
Exactly.
in Bloombox. So would you like to say to the F5s who will think about joining
Sure.
Bloombox sometime?
सो अभी एज एन आइडेंटिटी अगर मैं कॉलेज को देखता हूँ, इट वॉज लिटरली ओनली ब्लूम बॉक्स. अगर मैं 4 साल कॉलेज में था, 3 साल उसमें से ब्लूम बॉक्स में था और लास्ट में मेरी प्लेसमेंट हो गई. तो अगर एज आई इमेजिन पार्थ चौधरी इन केजे सोमाया, इट वॉज जस्ट ब्लूम बॉक्स लिटरली. अभी वो तुम कुछ भी कह लो, मतलब अगर कोई आके मुझे पूछता है हाउ वॉज योर कॉलेज लाइफ, अगर पूछे कभी, I can only imagine Bloombox because that's all I've done. That and academics. I think इसके बीच में there was nothing else. पूरे टाइम so जब हम फर्स्ट ईयर में थे तो ये मुझे न्यू जो फर्स्ट ईयर्स में आने, जैसे तुमने बोला कि जब न्यू एफीज ज्वाइन करेंगे, सो आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू टेल देम दैट ब्लूमबॉक्स इज़ नॉट एनी अदर काउंसिल. एटलीस्ट दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड. इधर तुम रियल बॉन्डिंग्स बनाओगे, तुम बहुत नए नई चीज़ें सीखोगे. एंड इट इज़ वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड सेम थॉट प्रोसेस के लोग तुम्हारे साथ. सो इफ़ यू फाइंड लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, आई थिंक देयर इज वे यू शुड गो. एंड अगर ब्लूमबॉक्स इज द वे वेयर यू नो कि यू विल ऑलवेज बी वैल्यूड. इवन अ एफ ई विल बी गिवन दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंस. उसका हर डिसीजन सुना जाएगा, इवन कंसिडर करा जाएगा एंड इम्प्लीमेंट भी हो जाएगा. लाइक आई थिंक दिस पॉडकास्ट, आई थिंक दिस इज़ an initiative of the FEs.
Correct.
तो अगर किसी ने एक अपना आइडिया दिया है तुम्हें एंड यू लाइक दैट आइडिया, इवन इफ दैट वाज द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट, यू इम्प्लीमेंटेड इट, राइट, एंड वी कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स, इट्स गोइंग रियली वेल. सो दैट्स व्हाट ब्लूमबॉक्स इज डिफरेंट, एंड दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल जैसा सोचता है कि खुद से कुछ करेंगे, खुद के आइडियाज़, एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट आइडियाज़. तो इधर आके इफ़ यू एक्सप्लोर योर आइडियाज़, आई थिंक दैट्स अ बिग थिंग फॉर FEs. इसलिए ज्वाइन करना चाहिए तुम्हें.
I guess we've plugged Bloombox enough. We'll talk about the journey. So Parth's tenure probably was like the first year in which Bloombox saw exponential growth from its previous years. Bloombox was founded in 2011, but it's been dormant since then. It started like a few years before Parth took over, I think. In your eyes, like our journey, I think the graph has always been like this, and I think you were at the, what do you say, inflection point of the graph. Tell us, like was it just the fact that you were daring to dream big, or was it like मुझे इतना बड़ा करना ही है? Like how did you when you were given the responsibility to lead the council, what was your thought process कि मुझे क्या करना है इसके साथ?
ओके, आई कम टू द पॉइंट जो तूने लास्ट मेंशन किया. सो इट इज़ वेरी रेयर दैट यू फाइंड अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल अलॉन्ग विथ यू एंड दे हैव द सेम एम्बिशन एज ऑफ यू. दे ड्रीम, जैसे जो मुझे था कि आई वॉन्ट टू मेक ब्लूमबॉक्स द बिगेस्ट काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया, कि इतना बड़ा ईसेल एक कॉलेज हो सकता है, वो ड्रीम मेरे साथ वाले सारे सीनियर काउंसिल वाले शेयर करते थे. सो इट इज़ वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल whom you work with who have the same dream as you. When you get ऐसा set of people, I think you should not let it go to waste. So एक ये था कि all of my senior council dreams were as big as mine, and सबको चाहिए था कि हम लोग कुछ ऐसा करें जो ब्लूमबॉक्स में कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. So when I joined Bloombox in my first year, when Krunal was the CP, that time it was the first time that E-Summit took place and it was in the online mode.
Correct.
So उधर से ये जर्नी चालू हो गई थी दैट वी हैव टू ड्रीम बिग. अभी पहली बार E-Summit हो गया, ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन आई केम, एंड तब ऑफलाइन था इन माय थर्ड ईयर व्हेन आई वाज अ चेयरपर्सन, इट वाज श्योर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू द E-Summit इन द ऑफलाइन मोड. बट वी डिड नॉट वांट टू डू एनी E-Summit. हमें चाहिए था हम सबसे बड़ा E-Summit करके दिखाएं जो हो सकता है पॉसिबली. एंड हमारा कंपटीशन फिर कौन थे? दे वर IITs, दे वर NITs, एंड वी हैड सीन देयर E-Summits. So that was a dream. And when you have, so I'll just tell you one thing, as a leader or as a chairperson, now even Tanay will relate, when you have a senior council members who are so ambitious, so that makes your work 10x easier as well as 10x harder. So how 10x easier is that you do not have to ignite that fire or passion उनमें कि कुछ करना है, तुम्हें वो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. So there's where your calm workload becomes too less. But where does it become hard is when सब लोग के ideas इतने सारे होते हैं, at one time it gets overwhelming and you are the one who is responsible कि things don't go haywire.
Correct. You have to take the final shot at the end
Exactly.
of the day. Pressure is on you.
So this is a very interesting thing कि जब तुम्हारे पास like minded people इतने ambitious हो तुम्हारे साथ, so वो as a leader तुम्हारा काम बहुत आसान as well as बहुत tough भी करते थे. So I think you must have experienced it this year.
100%. As we approach closer to E-Summit, definitely I get to see that a lot. But like I keep saying, at least for with my tenure, everyone's just so passionate about this. मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं पड़ता कि काम करो हो जाता है. Yeah, I think that's great. Talking about your E-Summit, why I say the inflection point of Bloombox. Obviously, if you guys don't know, it was in Parth's tenure that Ashni Grover visited our college, and I think that's something you'll take for the rest of your life. Like I remember, like when I was in the junior council last year, for all of us, like okay, we used to hear whispers that Ashni might come, Ashni nahi aa raha. There were a lot of problems, and I think it was a month-long process and of going back and forth with their team and from our administration. It was a hard procedure, but finally these guys were so persistent that they cracked Ashni Grover. For us, it's a big deal because considering like it was the first time ever having an e-summit offline. Now next month we'll have the e-summit, will be the second version in an offline variant. Having the first time ever having such a big speaker, having such a big entrepreneur, like one of the wealthiest founders in the country, walk us through that journey. And when you were on stage with Ashni, what was going through your head and mind? Like, how did you handle those nerves?
Definitely. तो इस पे I can elaborate well. I think it was a journey, man. It was a journey, and I think my entire third year went behind Bloombox, and because so I'll get to that point. I'll just start with what happened when I became the CP. So when I was given the role of the chairperson of Bloombox, it was a big responsibility given, and when I knew that this time is the first time we are going to do the e-summit offline, तो एक बैक ऑफ द माइंड पे रहता है कि ओके कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इस साल. सो इन द इवेंट सेम वी स्टार्टेड विथ सो आई डोंट नो इफ द ऑडियंस नोज दिस, बट हमारे फर्स्ट स्पीकर थे मिस्टर राज शमानी. So Raj Shamani came to college, and that was our first speaker session. That was in my tenure, and that was a big hit. The entire auditorium was fully packed. लोग नीचे बैठ रहे थे, बाहर chaos हो रहा था, and we had not seen anything like this. So ना पूरे काउंसिल में एक पूरा पॉजिटिव लेयर आ गई थी कि ओके वी हैव अचीव समथिंग, वी हैव गॉट राज शमानी टू कॉलेज, आवर फर्स्ट बिग हिट. इतना बिग हिट कि लोग पूरा टाइम हमारे उसकी वजह से तारीफ कर रहे थे. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड वेल एज अ टाइम पे, सो इट वाज इन द फिफ्थ सेम, सॉरी आई थिंक आई सेड इवन सेम, इट वाज इन द ऑड सेम. सो जब तुमने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर लिया पहले ही शॉट में, तो देन मेरे पे और एक वो आ गया था कि अब तो ई समिट इससे बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. अभी राज शमानी आ गए तो आई हैव टू डू समथिंग कि ई समिट और एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चल जाए. सो बट माई काउंसिल वॉज सो परसिस्टेंट. दे हैड दिस बिग ड्रीम कि हमारा ई समिट आज तक का बेस्ट ई समिट होगा एंड हम कुछ तो कर दिखाएंगे. सो when e-summit neared, so this Raj Shamani is in the odd sem, in the even sem we have our e-summit. The work started around 3.5 months prior to that. Everything, be it marketing, be it everything, the PR, the competitions, everything started. Main था speaker कौन आएगा, because now that's where the differentiating factor comes in. क्योंकि competition सब करते हैं,
Correct.
ठीक है. जनरल इवेंट्स हमने हमेशा देखे हैं, एक ऐसा स्पीकर आ जाए जिसकी वजह से तुम स्टैंड आउट कर जाओ, और एंटरप्रेन्योर ऐसा जो तुम्हारे काउंसिल को शोकेस करे, देन दैट वुड बी अ बिग बैंगर. तो ना आई रिमेंबर जस्ट बिफोर आवर ई समिट, आई थिंक इन जनवरी IIT बॉम्बे का ई समिट था. सो मी अलॉन्ग विद 2 ऑफ माई सीनियर काउंसिल मेम्बर्स, हम लोग जाके विजिट करके आए थे उनको. ओवर देयर आई सी अश्नीर ग्रोवर एक इवेंट में, एंड माई आईज लिट अप. आई एम लाइक ओके, इतना बड़ा स्पीकर भी आता है क्या कोई कॉलेज में, एक ई समिट में, वो भी एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल ने बुलाया है. तो हमने काश कभी हम भी बुला पाए, एंड काश ये कभी हम कर सके, एक लेवल ऐसा आए ब्लूमबॉक्स का. सो देयर वाज द स्पार्क कि यार अश्नीर आ गया, तो अगर सच्ची अश्नीर ग्रोवर कम्स इन केजे सोमाया एंड ब्लूमबॉक्स होस्ट दैट इवेंट, सो देयर्स व्हेन हम लोग के दिमाग में वो स्ट्राइक हुआ कि व्हाई डोंट वी थिंक सो बिग, कि हम लोग सबसे बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर को बुला लें. तो देन हम लोग उसके पीछे पड़ गए. देन वी डिड नॉट लुक एनीथिंग बिलो शार्क टैंक जजेस. जो शार्क टैंक में आया था हमें उनमें से ही कोई चाहिए थे फिर. तो द जर्नी बिगैन देयर, एंड पूरा कॉप लग गया, मैं लग गया, मार्केटिंग अपना काम कर रहा है, PR अपना काम कर रहा है, बहुत सारे विंग्स थे. वी वर अ टीम ऑफ 27 पीपल देन. इट वॉज अ स्मॉल टीम बट अ वेरी फंक्शनल टीम. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक माई टीम कि इतने परसिस्टेंट थे वो लोग कि हर डोमेन में उन्हें फोड़ा है.
100%.
जब अश्नीर पहली बार फाइनल हुआ, सो ये ना बहुत विस्पर्स चलते थे पूरे काउंसिल में कि अश्नीर लाइक यू सेड, एंड वी कुडंट लेट इट गो आउट बिकॉज तब तक फाइनल नहीं हुआ था. तो व्हेन अश्नीर वाज काइंड ऑफ फाइनल, तब जाके हमने पहला उसका वीडियो रिलीज़ किया था कि अश्नीर इज़ कमिंग. And that video still on Bloombox KJC Instagram page has the most views. I think 21,000 plus views. And वो देख के everyone was like ओके वी हैव डन समथिंग. पूरे कैंपस में बस एक ही बात थी, ब्लूम बॉक्स अश्नीर ग्रोवर को बुला रहा है सब जगह, एंड हम लोग वी बिकेम स्टार्स वो दिन पे. तो बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू गो सो हाई कुछ तो आता ही हमेशा.
100%.
तो एकदम से फिर दिस ट्रक की अश्नीर का कैंसिल हो गया. देयर वर रीजंस टू दैट, एंड तब वी वर ऑल डाउन कि ओ शिट, अब तो इतना मेहनत किया, ऑनलाइन पोस्ट कर दिया, सब हो गया, एंड अब अश्नीर का कैंसिल हो रहा है. सो एवरीवन, द एंटायर काउंसिल वाज सो डाउन. मैं एज अ लीडर विच आई शुडंट बी डाउन, कि मुझे आई शुड बी द वन एंकरेजिंग पीपल, मैं खुद इतना डाउन हो गया था कि यार अभी दिस कांट बी हैपनिंग. एंड बट यू नो व्हाट, एंड दिस आई वुड लाइक टू टेल द ऑडियंस एज वेल एज यू तनय, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. व्हेन you work with a pure heart, when your entire team is so dedicated towards one thing, जो वो डायलॉग है ना शाहरुख खान का, तो द वर्ल्ड रियली कंस्पायर्ड कि इतना मेहनत इन लोगों ने किया है, इतना उन्होंने पूरा डे एंड नाइट इस पे डाला है, सो वी हैव टू लेट देम विन. इट वॉज बाउंड टू हैपन. मुझे आई विल टेल दिस, मुझे सुबह 6:30 बजे हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर सागर सर, हु हैज ऑलवेज स्टक थ्रू एवरीथिंग, उनका कॉल आता है 6:30. मेरा अलार्म भी इतने बजे नहीं बजता है, एंड आई एम लाइक अभी कौन कॉल कर रहा है, एंड देन आई सी सागर सर्स नंबर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन इट इज हिम आई हैव टू पिक अप. आई वाज जस्ट होपिंग कि कुछ गुड न्यूज़ होगा, बिकॉज 6:30, एंड ही द थिंग ही टेल्स मी, पार्थ, अश्नीर फाइनल, बिकॉज सो द कॉलेज अग्री, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, एंड आई वाज लाइक सर व्हाट, एंड आई रन टू कॉलेज, आई टेल माई एंटायर टीम, एंड दैट वाज अनदर डे. दैट डे आई रियलाइज कि बिकॉज वी वर्क विथ सच प्योरिटी, एंड इतना हार्ड वर्क किया सबने, और सबका ड्रीम एक ही था. सो इवन कितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, द वर्ल्ड कंस्पायर्ड कि इनके साथ अच्छा ही करना है, एंड फाइनली अश्विन वॉज इन, आवर प्लान वॉज ऑन, एंड ही वॉज गोइंग टू कम ऑन द 24th of March, and
I think that date is going to be in your mind.
definitely it's going to be 1 year now, and it is unbelievable because अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि अभी वो सब हुआ था. like when you were talking about your e-summit, I'm like shit, I just did this. ये सब मेरी टीम ने अभी just किया था, and it has been 1 year to that. So yeah, Ashneer was final, and all of our competitions were final, and that's how we had our first ever offline e-summit, which was a super duper hit. And I think no one in the entire council will ever forget it. Even you, Danay.
I will never forget it. मतलब, I also remember कि when I was more involved in the junior council work, so I had to be hands-on with everything, you know, banners, this, that, and handling everything. And after e-summit, and I was so sick of seeing Ashneer's face. मतलब, everywhere in my council, I have to think about it. Everywhere on social media, it's him. I was like, okay, finally, I'm done with this. But it was so much fun. Like, for me also, I think. If I had to think that if I wasn't part of any council, like I'm not saying Bloomberg, but I think college life mein, like I don't think like I spend too much time in college. Otherwise, I don't involve myself in too many activities. But I think like Bloomberg was my way of leaving my mark somewhere in college.
Exactly.
Kuch kiya hai maine college. I just don't come here, leave, and it's fun. I meet a lot of new friends. I interact with so many more people. I think for you also, like the network definitely helps a lot. And also, I want to talk about one thing. Since we're talking about all these names and Raj, Shamani, Ashneer, whatever, one takeaway I think, tell me if I'm wrong, but it's not about the names we get, it's not about the sponsors we get, it's not about the council you are part of, but I feel that when we are in this stage of 18 to 22 in our college years, we learn so much by doing this. Like, I don't think if I tell someone that in my college years I got this person, it will help. But it's just about the fact that you're handling
Exactly.
so many people, you're handling so much money. Recently, I think this one very good startup was hiring a lot of interns, and they said in the tweet it read that if you have handled a college fair, so if you haven't handled any kind of sponsor something, we are preferring these kind of students, and that just makes so much sense because irrespective of whatever you do at the end of the day, it is. Not a joke handling such kind of negotiations and such kind of sponsors, getting them, convincing them to give you money or whatever. So, I want to encourage some people that whatever it is, like, take up some kind of responsibility in your college, strive for something that is, bigger than what is normally, achievable.
I'd come like to 2 points यहाँ पे touch करना चाहूँगा. One is on you actually. So I think you asked me अभी कि how was it sharing a stage with Ashneer? That was a surreal experience. I was on stage and सामने Ashwini Grover and I'm interviewing him and I was like, is this really happening? मेरे को तो तभी भी believe नहीं हो रहा था, जब तक अभी तक मेरे को believe नहीं होता है वो बात. But the entire 2 days of E-Summit, 24th and 25th March, वो like Ashwini came, then even Harshil Karya and Ayush Anand, the Level Supermind co-founders. We had 4 competitions, we had a CC event. I think when you do such a big event and then you are like, okay, you dreamed and you could fulfill it, then you come to the point कि यार then dreams can be achievable. and जब तुम बड़ा सोचते हो तभी तुम बड़ा करते हो. अगर हम अश्लील के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं तो हम कैसे करते हो? अगर हमारे if our dreams are small then your output will also be small. So the thing is I want to share with the audience as well as you for the upcoming E-Summit, जितना बड़ा सोचोगे, जितना बड़ा ड्रीम करोगे, तुम कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लोगे फिर. एंड देन बिकॉज वी हैड दैट विजन, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज पिक्चर्ड आवर सेल्फ कि एज द बेस्ट ई सेल ऑफ इंडिया वी कुड रीच समवेयर, वी कुड हैव अ ऑफलाइन ई समिट फीचरिंग अश्विनी ग्रोवर. सो एंड अभी जैसे तुमने बोला कि टेक अवे फ्रॉम अ काउंसिल, even when you joined Bloombox, Tanya, you were a real shy person, right?
100%.
Yeah, you were shy, you were really good at your work, but you were a little reserved, right? And now look at you, you are handling a team of what I think 40 people and doing really well. So when you transition from being a socially awkward person and when you join a council like Bloombox, see your graph itself.
Definitely. Like, it's more about, at that point you have to, like, you know, come out of the comfort zone. Like,
Exactly.
if you don't come out, like, you will be left behind and you will be taken over. And that being said, I don't think we are complacent with our success with Bloombox. Even you know, I know ki we've done, I think we've started, we've built the foundation, but we have a long, long way to
Exactly.
go.
Definitely.
We want to be one of the leading EFLs in the country. Like, it doesn't matter whatever we've accomplished, but it's only, like, you know, I want to keep the environment such that the only way to go is up from here. Yeah, it's just such a, you know,
I'm very proud, like seeing you, your journey from when you were a junior council member till now. I saw you as a new shy kid who wants to explore entrepreneurship, who is very passionate about startups, and who did his work really well. You were in the corp wing and you did your work really well, but you were not very outspoken, right? And from there, you saw that in your last year, we called Raj Shamani, then we had our E-Summit, which I told about. You were a part of everything, and right from your work, which was co-op, till all the execution, all the on-day handling. So that made you a little different person, right? That evolved you as a person.
100%. Like, it goes without saying, I think definitely helps build your character. Like,
Definitely.
and also it's like, I think I so often get feedback, okay, you know, you're shy or this thing, and then when I had to interview for my chairperson, it was like again coming up, okay, but Tanya doesn't speak much, Tanya doesn't do this. I was like, okay, chalo, that's something, you know, I've handled and get better at. So I think it was conscious effort in my head ki now I have to do this better.
Even when I was in council, like I've been from my first year, मैंने छोड़ा नहीं. I was very loyal to one council because I was like, if grow करना है तो एक ही council में करते ना, why switch? And when I really like the people here, when I really like the work here, then why not? So my transition from first year to third year, if you're meeting me now, and you met me first time in my third year, if you saw me in my first year, I have evolved a lot. Like, I've seen everything, like the first offline e-summit, the first online e-summit, the second online e-summit, my first offline e-summit, and now you, the second offline e-summit. So that evolves you when you are in a council, and when you stick to that council, you see a lot of things. You see fights, you see arguments, you see many decisions which you want to make, but there are many people who want something else, so you have to cater to that also. So that's how you see how actually the world is beyond college, in college. So that's one thing, being in a council helps a lot. It helped me.
Correct. So now, like, let's move gears a little bit. You know, the position that we've had, like being in a position of responsibility. लोग बोलते हैं कि, I mean, it is obviously very, you know, people fight for it like crazy to have such a position. But you tell me, you know, you having this position, how has it helped you in your professional life? Like, does it help at all? Like, okay, you know, handling a team, has it helped you in your interviews, in your internship landing, job landing?
I think definitely it does help. So it is how you make use of it. In my interviews, when I interviewed for my placements, a very strong key point used to be one, loyalty, because I was a part of an organization for 3 years, which shows that I'll be loyal to that organization. Secondly, my perseverance, that what I think I actually achieved that. If I thought that I'll do a e-summit which is so big, I did that with Ashneer and Raj Shamani and the first offline e-summit. Secondly, when you handle a team, so it was a total team of 31 people. When you handle a team, you see many different people. You're not just handling yourself. You are handling many different, like we call it wings, right? Many different wings, many different people, many different types of people. So that's where I was a differentiating factor for them in the interviews, that I have handled a team, I have been loyal to one council, and I work hard, because that shows in my results. So when you go into such interviews, this should be a very strong point, that if you have handled a big team or even a small team, if you have handled people, done something, got something done, and yourself done something, I think that shows something about your character.
Yeah, for the audience, like, try to, you know, find these opportunities in college where, you know, you're being part of something so big. Like, it's at the end of the day, if you think about it, we're just students, like 20, 19, 20-year-olds, and we pulled off like a festival, right? Like, we're not just talking about our festival, but like there are so many festivals that happen in all colleges across the world. Uh, yeah, like in school, the first time, you know, we handle such events, obviously there's a lot of help from school, and
Definitely.
it's not as you know, free. But I think in college is the first time where we get such an opportunity. So like, strive for these kind of opportunities, guys. Make yourself part of something. Be a part of some kind of community, not necessarily a council or something, but find. I think this being a part of a community or a council is also where you start understanding, is this meant for me, is this not meant for me?
Yeah.
Like, if you think you wanna are good at technology and coding and stuff, join a tech council, figure it out. मतलब उसमें you will understand, you know, I get an idea कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे coding आता है कि नहीं. You come to us, you will learn about entrepreneurship, of course. You'll learn about startups. You'll learn about building interesting things. So yeah. Moreover, Parth, I wanted to ask you now, like, you know, I have that battle now. I have so much on my plate. It's hard for me to allocate time properly to everything. How are you handling academics?
So, okay, right from day one, I was very clear कि I can't let my academics hinder. So, if I had to be the chairperson, I had to look after my academics as well. अभी, of course, like you said, time नहीं मिलता है, because when you are handling such a big event, your entire day goes in it. So I made it a point that we wouldn't keep anything before exams, and as we know as engineers, सब exam के वही हफ्ते में पढ़ते हैं और निकाल लेते हैं. तो that's what my plan was. मेरा कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं था कि पूरे साल थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ूंगा, या जो हम लोग सुनते हैं इन मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस कि हर रोज़ पढ़ो, बट टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था उतना. तो फिर आई वॉज वेरी बेंट अपॉन कि जैसे ही एग्ज़ाम नियर आ रहे हैं, तो दैट टाइम वी डो नॉट कीप एनी इवेंट. आर ई समिट इज वे आफ्टर आर एग्जाम्स, और एनी इवन स्मॉल इवेंट इज एग्जाम में उसमें गैप होना चाहिए. सो सी वो 1 वीक में सब मैनेज कर लेते हैं एज इंजीनियर्स. दैट्स वॉट वन थिंग वी नो बेस्ट, कि एक हफ्ते में कैसे तुम्हें कोई एग्ज़ाम निकालना है. सो दैट्स हाउ. एंड इवन माई लाइक आई वॉज वेरी हेल बेंट अपॉन कि दिस कांट अफेक्ट माई ग्रेड्स. तो जैसे कोई असाइनमेंट होता था या कुछ होता था, आई वॉज वेरी स्मार्ट अबाउट इट. लाइक आई वुडंट स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट देन आई वुड गेट इट डन, एंड कुछ तो करके कर लेता था मैं. सो दैट्स ऑल. एंड सो वही है, मतलब अगर तुम्हें एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया गया है, दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर ऑफ विद अदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. इफ यू डू वेल इन academics as well, and you allocate some time for it, and then I think you're well to go.
Sounds good. I think that's the advice most of us need. Not always to get overwhelmed by how much you have on your plate, but like strategically handle whatever it is on your plate. Let's come to the end of it. I think we've discussed a lot. I
Yeah.
think I hope a lot of more people get encouraged to join Bloombox in the future. If you're joining this college new, if you're in the college already, but it's a great place to be, I'd say, for sure.
Definitely it is.
Coming like now, we're recording this podcast, so we're mid-March right now, just about 15-20 days, and we'll be in the next E-Summit zone, and already we have enough stuff planned. I think we have very interesting and creative competitions. Take part in that, come interact with the team, be a part of this environment that we're talking about. What would be like one advice to me and my team going into E-Summit that, what should we take care of? What are some things that we're bound to miss? Any advice?
Okay, so I have seen you guys work from the start of the year. So ना मेरा बहुत सिंपल पर्सपेक्टिव रहता है, इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव सोल्यूशंस टू गिव ना तो प्रॉब्लम्स ही मत दो. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई नेवर केम अप विद प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हारे लिए कि तुम्हारा ये नहीं हो रहा है, तुम्हारा वो नहीं हो रहा है. इफ़ आई हैव सोल्यूशन फॉर कोई वो चीज़, तब मैं आके तेरे से बात करता था. बिकॉज इवन यू नो द प्रॉब्लम्स मैन, मतलब यू आर नॉट डिल्यूजनल, यू नो वॉट इज गोइंग ऑन एंड यू नो वॉट इज यू आर लैकिंग एट, राइट? सो आई डोंट हैव टू कीप रिमाइंडिंग यू दैट. आई टॉक टू यू, वी टॉक ऑन व्हाट्सएप, वी कॉल, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी डिस्कस कि क्या हो सकता है इससे बेटर, राइट? So as a team, as a whole, as you guys, as the senior council, this time is the second offline E-Summit, and as a Bloombox insider, I know ki this is going to be grand as well, which you will come to know in a few days. It will, and fingers crossed, बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है इस बार. I always wanted कि हमने जो benchmark set किया वो तुम तोड़ो, उससे ऊपर जाओ, और मेरा हमेशा वही तुम लोग के लिए wish रहता था. And so Bloombox is so dear to us, so dear to me, because when you are part of something for 3 years, it becomes a part of your life. So even as a person working in a corporate now, I can't leave Bloombox. So मैं उसके बारे में सोचते रहता हूँ कि तुम्हारा सब अच्छा चल रहा है क्या, मेरा Instagram पे एक ही search है Bloombox. So I keep on seeing your reels, I see your views, and I'm very impressed with what you have done on your social media as well. So as a ex-CP and as a forever lover of Bloombox, I would just like to say कि तुम लोग जो किया है बहुत अच्छा किया है. You have dared to dream big, just like we did, and I hope तुम लोग हमसे भी better E-Summit pull off करो with lesser problems and stuff getting in between, and I hope that this leaves a mark in your head and you'll take this ahead in your entire life, because ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम कभी भूल नहीं पाओगे फिर. You hosted a E-Summit in your college called such a prominent personality, which you'll know, and you did something which people just dream of doing. And college में आके you created a difference. You just did not look after academics and placement. वो तो कर ही रहे हो, उसके साथ साथ you did something such big. And that's where you should be proud of yourself, and I'm proud of you guys as well.
Let's give it up once for the team standing behind the camera. Just super proud of my team as we're entering like close to E-Summit. It's so many fires to put off every single day, but everyone's having a positive mood, so
Yeah.
let's keep that way. Anyway, thanks a lot, Parth, for coming. It was great talking to you.
Great
Anything
talking
else
to
you
you,
have last thing to say?
I would just like to say, guys, dream big, because जब तुम बड़ा सोचते हो, that's when you work towards it. और जब तुम इतना बड़ा सोचते हो कि तुम बेस्ट करोगे, and there's nothing stopping you. So do not settle for less. मतलब why? उसका ऑप्शन ही नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be the best. That's it. उसके नीचे तुम सोचो ही मत, तो तुम उसके नीचे करोगे ही नहीं. And that's where I think my council came in, and हमने ऐसा सोचा, and now that I see that transferring in your council as well. And I'm very proud of that, and I wish Bloombox all the best for all the coming years. I wish to see better council, more better council each year, and you breaking all the previous records. And that's it. So all the best for E-Summit, and I know you'll do well.
See you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Hope you guys are liking this format of the Bloombox show. Please like, comment, subscribe, and give us inputs like who else you want to see on our podcast next. Thank you.